Okay. It's good. It's good. Mm-hmm. Wow. Mm-mm. It's good. Hey Sugar Wugas, I'm back at y'all again with another video. Today is going to be a much better video. I feel better. Woo! Anyway, I'm going to hurry up and get to it. Amen. Today, my Sugar Wugas, I have a steak sub with just lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, some fries. I have some, what is it? Garlic Parmesan cheese, and I have wings and Old Bay wings and lemon pepper wings and just fries. And I got some sauce. I think this is ketchup or even mambo sauce. I don't know. I don't know. And I got some ranch to dip my chicken in. Okay? And I got coldest water bottle. I just got it because I just got it. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, share, comment, do all of that good stuff. If you're new to my channel, thank you, and thank you for stopping by. And if you're always stopping by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love, okay? I'm just get started, and guess what? I'm going to bring this down because I don't feel like, having it up. I had this up here. I had my ranch. It's for my chicken. I did ask for some blue cheese also, but they didn't give me my sauce. Something always gotta be missing. Something always gotta be missing. Comment below and tell me what's your favorite chicken. Mm. Mm. I got this from a place called America's Best. America's Best Wing. I did them before. I did this before already. And I waited all day to eat, like I always do. You want yours? No, I'm not gonna eat all this. I'm sharing, y'all. Sharing. You want wings? Huh? I think they... Oh, look at me. Y'all see me? Okay. These are okay. I had that. Ah, that's right. Yeah. Take it away. Wow. It's good, y'all. This is the... Let me see. I think that was the old bag. And I got all flats because I like flats. Not that much talking, y'all. Not that much talking. Now, this is my first time trying this. I thought the garlic and Parmesan. Okay. It's good. It's good. Wow. It's good. Yeah. You know, I got my water. But you know, gotta have my soda. Woo! That was good. Let's take a bite. Get that out. It tastes like it's like a sweet ketchup sauce. It don't taste like just regular ketchup. I was out working today, y'all. I picked up a ride for us, and I was waiting there, waiting, and this girl came out, and he just had on a regular bra. I'm gonna tell him I got regular bra and some jeans. Regular. Came to the car and said, wait 1 second, I forgot my wallet. And in my head, I was like, you forgot the shirt. She came back out. I went to the store just like that. It was a round trip. I took her to the store. She got out with her jeans and her bra. Went in there, came back in. I was like, okay. That's the running to the store outfit. Washing my hands. It was so drowned though. Yeah. I drowned it with the season, didn't I? I don't know. That's too hard. Chicken's too garlicky. But it's good. You take some of that off. Yep. I was hungry. So, you know my bite? That's almost gone. That one almost gone. Mm. Their subs are always fresh and it's good. The bread is really fresh. And yes, I'm getting full. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's pretty late. Makes me sleep. That's why it's so quiet. Yeah. You hear me? I think I'm done with this. That. I think I'll catch up. Sorry. Mm. No. Yeah, of course, when you wait all day to eat, you know you get full fast. Mm. Mm-hmm. Look at me thinking. Thinking. Whew. These fries are good, though. These fries are good. Oh. They're not all soggy. You know how when you get them in, sometimes they be soggy. In fact, I was eating too fast, huh? Probably was. Whew. That came from within. Woo! I think these has too much garlic and stuff on there. It's good when you take some of it off. That's how you know you're getting full when you start picking at it. Lemon pepper. I had lemon pepper. Uh-oh. Is y'all here listening? Eat in peace. Mm-mm. I'm doing that like everything is going on. No, that's not happening. I just had to show y'all what I was eating for dinner. Mm, 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 mm. If I reach 200, almost hitting 200 subscribers, y'all. It's a big deal to me. It's a big deal. First, I wasn't really on it. I was like, oh, okay. Then I was like, wait a minute. 150, 100. It's okay. Thinking about doing a small little giveaway. So I can keep it rolling, y'all. Keep it rolling. Keep y'all coming. Keep y'all watching me. From time to time when y'all feel like giving me some time. Okay, my Suga Wugas. I didn't eat a lot of chicken. So, let me see. This right here, look at that. Garlic Parmesan. That's a lot on it, isn't it? It's good, though, when you wipe some of it off. So, at least I know what they taste like now. I probably won't be doing them again. But it was okay. Drink some of this water. Ooh. Some good water there. Yes. Alright, my sugar wuggers. I'm about to let y'all go if y'all didn't already let me go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And after you hit that notification bell, you go click it all the way to all so you can get everything, okay? And also, thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Don't forget, comment, share, do all that good stuff. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. I can't leave y'all. I'm about to leave y'all without a hug. And I gotta leave y'all with a nice, good old hug. I see y'all on my next video.